What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video, this HomeGoods queen has another HomeGoods haul. I have not done a Shop With Me haul in quite some time, and I am excited to share with you some new things that I've been seeing in store and a couple of things that I snagged for my home. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Before we get into the video, I want to talk about Love Your Teeth. This is an amazing teeth whitener kit that can whiten your teeth up to 2 shades after just one use. There is 0 to minimal sensitivity. It removes stains from natural teeth as well as false surfaces like caps, crowns, and even veneers. It is a super easy 3-step process using a blue light whitening technology, which helps to activate the teeth whitening solution, which was created by dentists. I'm going to show you the 3 easy steps in order to get your teeth white. You just flip the applicator over, apply a little bit of pressure in order to release the liquid, and as you can see, the liquid is now absorbed into the tip. You take the tip and rub it on your teeth. You now activate the blue light technology, set a timer for 10 minutes, and you're good to go. You can also use the pen for on the go and a quick and easy bright smile. And I, of course, will leave all of the information in the description box below. All right, you guys, we are starting off in the beauty room, and I am so excited to share with you. I'm sure you saw a sneak peek in my IG reel, this beautiful wooden mirror that is so ornate that I found from HomeGoods. I have seen it at a couple of different locations, so if you were looking to find something like this, then definitely check your local HomeGoods. I love how ornate it is. I love the tone of wood, and I love the size. I would say it's about, at the peak top, 6.5 feet, and then at the very top where the mirror ends, I would say it's about 5'10". So it's a really good, nice height. It's not too big, it's not too small. I hate that about some of the mirrors. People say, oh, this is a good full-length mirror, but it's way too small to be a full-length mirror. So I wanted to show this one to you. I believe it's around $250, very affordable in my opinion. Really nice and wide as well, so it's going to fit a nice closet area really well. And then as you can see in the back, I kind of pulled the brown color through by incorporating my uva stocks that I found from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago in a black vessel. So if you're looking for a good full-length mirror or to warm up a space with a really nice floor-length mirror, then definitely check out HomeGoods. I love this one, and again, I've seen it in a couple of different locations, so it's definitely should be readily available to you guys. Next up, I wanted to share with you the finished product of this beauty that I found from HomeGoods. Again, this is a reel that I posted on Instagram, but I love the way that it turned out. It was a crazy orange color, and when I saw it, it looked very restoration hardware to me. So I snagged it. I did some simple baking soda and paint, and then gave it a lot of texture with extra baking soda, and this is the finished product. So if you're interested in seeing that reel, you can definitely check out my Instagram to see that. But I love the way that it turned out. I've seen a couple of them actually coincidentally on Instagram as well, and they put some greenery in the top. So if you're looking for a nice centerpiece, you could definitely incorporate that as well into some sort of a centerpiece by putting it maybe on the end of something and putting the greenery on top. I of course didn't have that kind of height there, so I just put it on my shelf. I've had a ton of questions about these shelves. They are older and from IKEA. Unfortunately, they are not available anymore in store, but I do love them because they come in a couple of different colors and have this metal end cap that I think is a really nice, little bit of a modern touch. So this bathroom is now complete. Thank the Lord. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. If you have any questions or want any of the links to any of the items, including these new bad boys right here, which are from Target. I love the pattern and the colorway of these. Then just let me know in the comments and I'm happy to link them below. Next up is this amazing organic blanket that I found from Homegoods. I love the colorway on this. I feel like it pairs really perfectly with this other throw that I found that is in the gray family. So if you are looking for a really nice organic throw for, you know, I guess you could cover up with this, but I feel like it's more for decorative purposes, then definitely check them out. The size on these are really good too. Again, they're going to be a throw size, so nothing crazy that you can cover up with, but I would say pretty comparable to a twin size. I also love the end of this because it has lots of color and texture with the fringe. And again, bringing that maroon color through, I feel like this would match a ton of different design tastes because it is such a beautiful neutral color. And the price point on this was great as well, around $24.99. So if you're looking to create a really nice, organic, clean, neutral colored couch or area in your living room, then definitely look for something like this to pull in those neutral colors with your throw pillows. And I of course will link the couch. I always get a ton of questions. This is my favorite from Ashley Furniture. It is the Tanavi couch and I have had it for a little bit over a year now and I can really say that I love it. I have not had any issues with it whatsoever. This is brand new, haven't fluffed, haven't done anything to any of the cushions and it's still in perfect shape. Some people were saying that they had a little bit of issues with pilling on the corners or on the bottoms of the cushions, and I have had a little bit of that. I do try to use throw blankets to cover it up and preserve it, but when I'm not using those, I definitely use my little pilling machine from Amazon to smooth it out. I don't know if that's recommended, so I would definitely be cautious with that, but I love how neutral the color is, and I love the fact that it feels like a goose down on top of the foam, so it gives that really comfortable feel without being too relaxed. So if you have any questions about this couch, let me know. It is one of my favorites and is something that I am still loving all this time later. Next up is this vessel that I decided to put on the shelf in my living room. I love the colorway of this. It is a beautiful organic, I would say an orange, burnt orange pottery color, and they have a ton of texture on top of it, as you can see here, with some sand and probably some plaster and a little bit of paint, but it is a beautiful bone color. They did have a couple of different shape options as well, but I opted for the old school look just because I love how this looked in height variation to the smaller one that I have next to it. And this one is from Crate and Barrel. So if you're looking to fill up a shelf or just have some nice organic modern vessels in your home, then definitely check out Homegoods, including these two up here, which are not recent purchases, but are both definitely from Homegoods as well. This one was a DIY that I again added that same exact chalk paint to, and then these beautiful dried florals, and I love the way that this shelf turned out. It's just simple, neutral, and in my opinion, an organic modern style. Next up are two kitchen accessories. I love these beautiful set of cheese knives that I got that have a beautiful bumblebee and a really nice marble accented handle. I think these would be beautiful to put on display and use for a charcuterie board, and they were super affordable, only $14.99, and it did come with 3, which I think is really nice because a lot of times I see them but only in sets of 2. And then this mug, I don't know why, I just love it. I actually ended up getting 2 of them because I just think it is super simplistic and neutral with the little gold heart. It is the perfect size if you're looking for, I like to drink tea at night and coffee in the morning. It fits both perfectly, so you have a little bit of extra space for your tea bags or water, sugar, milk, cream, anything like that. And they were only $3.99. They are by the brand La Rochelle, it looks like. I've never heard of that before, but I love them. Also, if you can see up close, it has a little bit of spotting with that black and white color that I think is just beautiful and gives it a really nice organic feel. So if you're looking for something to complement your coffee bar area, if you like to sit these sorts of things out on a tray or a shelf, this would be a really beautiful option to do. And of course, if I find anything similar, I will link them in the description box below. Now, this is something that I've briefly spoken about, but I wanted to speak about it again because I've seen them in store, and this is such a beautiful book. If you are looking for any sort of books for decor or inspiration books for design, this is definitely a great neutral option for you. It is inspired design, and it does come in a deceivingly different cover, but it is beautiful black and white, and I love that the ends of the pages are that beautiful satin black color, as you can see. So from any angle, this is going to be a beautiful, dramatic black and white book that you can literally use for anything. A coffee table book, inspiration, like I mentioned before. You can put it on a bookshelf, but I love this, and I believe it's around $29, so more on the affordable side, as some of these can get very expensive. So I'll see if I can find this online and link it in the description box down below. All right, you guys, we're starting off this simple DIY with some scrap wood that I threw together using some nails and wood glue. And then I'm going to use plaster of Paris mixed with water and throw it on top to give it tons of texture. I also picked up a glaze that I'm going to mix with a little bit of white paint to give it a little touch of color. And as you can see, this is really easy to work with. I absolutely love this and would totally use it again. It dries really nicely, and I'm going to just take some rough sandpaper, smooth out the edges, and smooth out the texture to get the exact texture that I want. Once that's done, I'm going to apply the glaze and white paint and texture in a couple of extra spots. And this is the final product. I absolutely love this. It was so easy to do, and I love the way that it turned out. It gave a little bit of a modern touch to this space. What do you think? All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will link everything I can in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.